A 672 Hz pure tone sound travels through 60 degrees Celsius air. With what speed does it travel? Whenever you work with a problem that asks for speed of sound given the temperature of air, you want to remember the equation that says that the speed of sound, so the velocity of the sound, is equal to 331 times the square root of 1 plus the temperature in Celsius over 273. Okay, now we're going to plug in whatever we know here into this equation. So we know that the temperature is going to be 60 degrees Celsius. So we have 60 here and 273 here, which means that we could solve for the speed of sound by plugging in 331 times the square root of 1 plus 60 over 273. So you get 365.56 and then more numbers. So it's going to be around 365.57 meters per second. And that is your answer.